I'm Maya. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'd love to show you how to make a very simple ricotta cake. It's the fastest cake you'll ever make. It tastes a little bit like a cheesecake, and it's full of calcium. It's got some protein in it, so it's a really healthy alternative when your children feel like a quick dessert. My sister taught me how to make this, so thanks, Kenya. That's what big sisters are for. And it's really simple, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack 3 eggs into our mixer.
You spilled.
I spilled, I know. Better to be real than to be perfect.
And this.
It's okay to make a mess when you're cooking, right? We're gonna crack our eggs on a flat surface so that we try not to get contact between the inside of the egg and the outside of the egg, if possible. Apparently, eggs can sometimes have salmonella on the outside, so better to crack them on a flat surface, I recently learned. Okay, here we go. There, we've got our 3 eggs in there. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is add a little bit of sugar. It's quite a low sugar cake, this one, because it's got about a half a cup of sugar in it for the whole cake. What I'm gonna do first is just blend up the eggs and the sugar. And then, we're gonna stop that. What's this called? Do you know what this is? Can you say ricotta?
Ricotta.
This is ricotta. Ricotta cheese has a lot of calcium in it. It's got protein, and if it's a choice between, a store-bought cake and something like this is so much better for children, and I think it's tastier. It's kind of like a cheesecake. It's got a bit of a lemony taste to it. Delicious, and these guys love it. Okay, we're gonna blend the ricotta in there with the egg and sugar mixture. And now, Milani.
It's yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow, you're right. Are you ready to help me add this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, ready? Slowly, tap it, tap it. Okay,
What?
we just added some gluten-free baking mix. It's just a natural mix of rice flours and a little bit of a raising agent. We have one child who can't have any gluten, so we make all of our desserts gluten-free. So we've blended this up. It's a nice batter now for the ricotta cake, and all we have to do is add a little bit of fresh lemon juice, right? Is that exciting to watch?
Yeah.
Good.
Then that flour.
We're gonna add this too. These are gluten-free graham cracker crumbs. You can either crush some graham crackers or you can buy them as crumbs. And we've just greased a kind of a pie dish, a glass pie dish. This is gonna make my crust, that's it. I'm gonna sprinkle some of these on the bottom. If you like a thick crust, you can sprinkle more, and if you like a thinner crust, you can sprinkle less. I'm just gonna use about that much. And then we're gonna just nudge it around. Okay, now that is our crust, and all we have to do now, we're gonna pour our ricotta batter on top of those breadcrumbs, and it's gonna bake into our crust. I make this cake when I'm in a rush, and I need something nice to serve for tea or for dessert, and it's a very healthy option. You can even put a slice in a lunchbox, and the children will feel so treated.
What is that?
That is the fastest cake ever. Now we're gonna go put it in the oven. Okay. Okay, so our ricotta cake has come out of the oven. Ideally, you want to let it cool to room temperature or even chill it in the fridge, and then it'll taste more like a cheesecake. But I have a hungry child down the stairs who's been waiting for this cake, so I don't think we're going to be able to wait that long. The way in which we know that it's cooked is when it starts to get a little bit golden brown on the outside. So I'm just going to cut into this, even though it's not quite fully cooled yet, and we'll let it cool on the plate. When the customers are waiting, you have to deliver. Okay, and a little piece for me. I'll go call him. What do you say? Good?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. So there you have it. We have a happy customer. I'm Maya. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again soon.